After having bought and installed a helium leak detector, the expectations are clear. Extended service life, minimal downtime, as well as high reliability and functionality are vital criteria for assessing the quality of a product. To satisfy the high-level requirements of our customers, FIFA Vacuum has established a comprehensive service portfolio, ranging from various training classes, genuine spare parts, preventative or corrective service, and refurbished products, to additional services such as service agreements. The modular system can be adapted precisely to the customer needs. Good and reliable service is especially important when mere maintenance and preventative service is no longer sufficient. Therefore, FIFA Vacuum has established an effective network with more than 80 service locations worldwide, which provide quick solutions for corrective service measures nearby using uniform standards. The leak detector which needs to be repaired, in this case, is the compact multi-purpose leak detector ASM 340, which is transported to the service point. As soon as it arrives, the service technician checks the leak detector and its contamination form that the customer needs to provide in order to ensure the safety standards during the service process. Depending on the diagnosis of this very first examination, the leak detector runs through the next steps of the service process. If the leak detector is not contaminated, it can directly be prepared for the service procedure. Therefore, it is transported to a service checkpoint where the technician has all equipment at hand that is needed to examine the leak detector closer. In case of an existing contamination with critical substances, such as hydrogen sulfide or selenium, the leak detector is transported inside a decontamination chamber. Through a lock, the leak detector is transferred into the chamber. There, a service technician with protective clothing and breathing protection disassembles the detector and cleans all contaminated parts, for example, the pumps and valve block. After the whole unit is free of critical substances, the leak detector can be transferred to the standard service procedure. As a first step, the housing of the leak detector is removed so that the components can be examined in detail. Then the unit is started up and the error protocol is checked. The ASM 340 leak detector is equipped with a rotary vane pump, a split-flow turbo pump, an analyzer cell, a valve block, and electronic components. Those are the parts that need to be maintained on a regular basis, as well as the internal calibrated leak. From the error protocol, the technician can learn which component of the leak detector is causing the problem. A typical fault is pollution from the process. Another crucial point is to regularly maintain the rotary vane pump inside the ASM 340. Therefore, the pump is dismantled, cleaned and reassembled with new seals and fresh operating fluid. The oil level and condition can be monitored by the user through a window at the side of the leak detector. If oil needs to be drained, this can be done by the user himself with a specific tool that is provided together with the leak detector. There is no need to remove the cover of the ASM 340. The complete maintenance of the rotary vane pump in the service center needs to be done in a 4-year cycle. Once the service procedure is completed and initial tests run successfully, the leak detector is reassembled and connected to a test bench that evaluates its functionality and measuring accuracy. The following values are measured and documented in a test report that is provided to the customer. Operating parameter of the unit, such as running time or last date of maintenance. Inlet pressure, stability of the unit, pump downtimes for certain volumes. As soon as all values are examined and fit the quality standards of FIFA Vacuum, the leak detector is returned to the customer. The quality, rapidness, and reliability of the service procedure of FIFA Vacuum are unique to the market. We apply the same demands to our service as to our products, Every service request is regarded and dealt with individually in order to fulfill the specific demands of our customers.